welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to solve a question on inverse Laplace transformation, that is find inverse Laplace transformation of log s square plus a square upon root s plus b. So first of all we have to convert this log m upon n into log m minus log n. So we are using that formula. So log s square plus a square minus log root s plus b. What formula I am using here? So I am using log m upon n, which is equal to log m minus log n. Okay, so again we can write Laplace inverse of log s square plus a square minus log s plus b power half. Okay, root s plus b means s plus b power half, and then we can write Laplace inverse of log s square plus a square minus half log s plus b, and here I am using that logarithm formula also, log m raised to power k, which is equal to k log m. Okay, so now this is not a standard formula in inverse Laplace transformation, so we will use the formula of differentiation inside inverse Laplace transformation, that is Laplace inverse of phi of s, which is equal to minus 1 by t Laplace inverse of phi dash of s. Of differentiation of this part, and we have to multiply minus 1 by t and differentiation d by ds of phi of s, means log s square plus a square, this is my phi of s, minus half log s plus b. Okay, so minus 1 by t, and differentiation of log s square plus a square is 1 upon s square plus a square, and if you find here we have a s square term, so we will numerator will be 2s, denominator will be s square plus a square. In a second part, differentiation will be 1 upon s plus b, because it is linear term, so differentiation will be 1 upon s plus b. Now we have to apply Laplace inverse standard formula. So first of all we separate the term, 2 is a constant, and inside we have a s upon s square plus a square, minus half is a constant, and we have 1 upon s plus b inside the Laplace inverse. Okay, and what is a standard formula? So standard formula Laplace inverse is s upon s square plus a square is cos a t, and second formula is 1 upon s plus b, which is equal to e raised to power minus bt, means constant term e raised to power minus bt. Okay, so we can write minus 1 upon t 2 cos a t minus half e raised to power minus bt. If we multiply negative sign inside, so it will be 1 upon t half e raised to power minus bt minus 2 cos a t. Okay, so this will be our final answer. So let's revise the question again. Find the Laplace inverse of log s square plus a square divided by root s plus b. So first of all we separate by log m upon log n, that is log m minus log n formula, and then we find Laplace inverse of phi of s, which is equal to minus 1 upon t Laplace inverse of phi dash of s. We will use this formula, that is differentiation in inverse Laplace transformation, and differentiation of log s square plus a square will be 2s divided by s square plus a square, and differentiation of log s plus b will be 1 upon s plus b. Then by linear property we can separate both the term and we can take constant out of the Laplace inverse transformation. So it will be Laplace inverse of s upon s square plus a square minus half Laplace inverse of 1 upon s plus b, and this is standard formula of cos at, and 1 upon s plus b, this is standard formula of e raised to power minus bt, and we will apply the formula, that is 2 cos at minus half e raised to power minus bt, and then we will multiply negative sign inside and we will have